welcome to Tales from the Green with me, Emily. I hope you enjoyed last week's story, which was a Turkish tale about a brave little duck. And this week we have a brand new story for you, all the way from Somalia. So I hope you're sitting comfortably. I hope you know your animal noises, because here we go. It was a hot day on the plains, and Lion, the king of the beasts, was having a snooze underneath a tree like this. His tail was swishing, his velvety ears were flicking, his whiskers trembling as he snoozed away. But all of a sudden, Lion was woken up by the strangest sound. Lion looked around and he saw Giraffe standing under a tree with his long neck, and Giraffe was coughing. Can you do this? Oh, thought Lion. Giraffe's got a cough. That's not good. And then Lion heard another strange sound like this. Achoo! Lion looked around and there was Hippo sitting in the river, and Hippo was sneezing. Can you open your jaws like Hippo? Here we go, big sneeze. Achoo! Well done. Oh, thought Lion. Hippo's got the sniffles and Giraffe's got a cough. The animals are not well. What we need is an animal doctor to make them better. And so Lion sent word to all the wild beasts. Wanted, animal doctor, apply to King Lion. The next day, 3 animals presented themselves for the job of animal doctor. They were elephant, tiger, and monkey. Elephant went first. He was huge and mighty, with big grey flapping ears and a long elephant trunk. Let me see your elephant trunk. Very good. Lion said to Elephant, "Now, Elephant, what would make you a good animal doctor?" "Well," said Elephant, I'm strong, and I could carry patients on my back like I'm an ambulance. And I have an enormous trunk, so I could suck up water to give to them when they're not feeling well." Lion said, "These are excellent, Elephant. Yes, they would make you a good doctor. Now tell me, is there anything that would make you a bad doctor?" Elephant thought, "Well, there is one thing, mighty Lion. I'm very heavy, and that makes me a little bit slow. So I might take my time getting to the sick animals." "No," said Lion. "We cannot have that. We can't have you arriving late when animals are sick. You will not be our animal doctor. Next!" So poor Elephant turned around and off he bumbled back to his friends to squirt water and pull up trees. It was Tiger's turn. She looked at Lion and flashed her orange eyes. "Well, Tiger," said King Lion, "what would make you a good animal doctor?" "Well," said Tiger, very, very fast. I can run like the wind. Imagine how quickly I would get to my patients. Also, I'm very soft and velvety. Imagine how comfortable I would be if the patients wanted to lie on me. This is very good, said Lion. Yes, these would make you a good animal doctor. You're quick and you're comfortable. Is there anything that would make you a bad doctor? Said King Lion. Tiger thought, well, there is one thing. I tend to get a little bit hungry when I see weak and sick animals. No, said King Lion. Absolutely not. We can't have you eating all of the sick patients. No, no, Tiger, you will not be our animal doctor. And off Tiger went on her velvety paws, swishing her long tiger tail. Well, there was only one animal left, Monkey. So, Monkey, said King Lion, what would make you a good animal doctor? Oh, said Monkey. Well, I've got fingers and I've got thumbs. So I can pick things up and I could make medicines and pastes. Also, I know about hunters. I know about man, because man and me were a bit similar. So I could help animals not get sick from the arrows and spears that man throws. I think I'd be a brilliant doctor. And Lion thought, yeah, Monkey, you're very dexterous and agile. You can make medicines. You could teach us about man and help the animals not to get sick. These are all good things. Now, is there anything that would make you a bad animal doctor? Monkey, clever Monkey, said, no, nothing. Nothing. I've no defects. I've no bad faults. I would be a brilliant animal doctor. And King Lion said, all right, you are the animal doctor. Everyone gather round and see Dr. Monkey. And the animals gathered round and they gave Monkey a big clap. Well, one day, Lion was lying under a tree and he felt a funny pain in his tooth. Oh, that's really sore, he thought. I need my animal doctor. Call for Dr. Monkey. Dr. Monkey came up to Lion. What seems to be the problem, Lion? I have this pain in my mouth, Dr. Monkey. I need you to take a good look. Well, Dr. Monkey didn't really know how to be a doctor. He was being tricky and lying. Right, well, let's have a look. Lion opened his huge lion jaws and he pointed to the sore tooth. Dr. Monkey said, well, the thing is, I'm not really a dentist, I'm a doctor. Said Lion. Right, okay, I'll have a look. Monkey looked at the tooth. I can't see anything wrong with it, Lion. I think you're fine. No, it's definitely hurting, said Lion. Take another look. Monkey looked again. He couldn't see anything wrong with the tooth because he didn't really know what he was doing. No, I definitely think it's fine, Lion. You're fine. Go back to sleep. But Lion was in pain. What's wrong with my tooth? You're the doctor. Fix it. Said Monkey. No, there's really nothing. I can't. Hang on a minute. Monkey reached into Lion's jaws. He grabbed the tooth and he yoinked it out. Boink! Look, here, you can see for yourself. There's nothing wrong with it. And that lion roared. Actually, I think you've done the trick, Dr. Monkey. That feels lots better. Thank you very much. And Dr. Monkey said, you're welcome, Lion. Well, I hope you liked that little tale from Somalia about the monkey doctor. He wasn't really a very good doctor. And I hope you enjoyed hearing all the different animals that you can find there. Next week, we'll have a brand new story for you, and hopefully we'll be able to do some Zooming together where you can tell me some of your favourite stories too. And one fine day, we shall be able to meet in person in the meeting house and share stories together. But for now, it's bye-bye from Tales from the Green. See you soon!